Hi guys, so today I'll be demoing the Younique Fibre Lash. So this is what it comes like. When you open it, you get it like this. You have the little logo here, back there. Then you have the instructions, and then you have the transplanting gel, which is the bigger one. And then you also have the fibers, yeah, the natural fibers, which is a smaller one. Alright, so for the instructions, it says that you must put a coat of your lashes, your mascara. So these are the instructions. So there's a booklet, it looks like. So it says that you must put a coat of your own lashes on, which I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to use Shades by Jai black brown mascara. And I'm going to go ahead and put a coat of that on. Alright, so that's on there. Then I'm going to go in with the transplanting gel. So it's what it looks like. The transplanting gel is the bigger one, and this is what supposedly causes the fibers to stick onto your lashes. So I'm giving it a good coat. Then before it dries, hurrying, and I'm going to apply the fibers. So the one looks like this. It just has like fibers on it, and I'm going to apply them right now to my lashes. Then after you apply the fibers, then you go again with the transplanting gel to kind of seal it, because if you don't seal it, then the fibers are going to fall off. So you go over again to seal. Okay, alright, let me just, I had some fiber follow. So this is what my eyes look like. Let me see if I can focus a little bit. So you can see the difference with this eye and this one. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply like regular, ooh, looks nice. I'm going to apply regular mascara. And the difference that I'm noticing, of course I have mascara all over my lid, but let's just not focus there. The difference, you see how fuller this side is? You see how much more fuller this side is? It's way fuller than this side. And I actually really like it. I've always seen it all over Instagram, and I'm sure you guys it's over Instagram as well, but I'm like, really, does it really work? But what it does, I think the fibers in Jamaican terms, it fatten up your lashes, meaning it makes them fuller, which I really like. If you have long lashes, then you would have no need whatsoever for false lashes when you have this product. It does look fuller. It even looks like I lined my eyes. It really does look fuller. If it is that you liked this item, I'd really appreciate it if you go over and support the independent distributor that sent this to me. I really appreciate her reaching out to me. A lot of people reached out to me, and I tell them no, but for some reason this one, she stuck out to me. Y'all see my natural hair? Anyway, for some reason she stuck out to me, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to take it for a whirl, see what the fuss is about. And honestly, you guys, I love it. Now, one thing I have to be very careful of is the fallout of the fibers, because let me show you what the mascara, what the wands look like. So this is what the transplanting gel mascara, that's what it looks like right there. And let me go ahead and show you what the Fibre one looks like. I wouldn't call them mascaras because it does say to add a coat of your mascara, so I wouldn't call them like a mascara. There we go. Can you see that? It's just like fibers, literally fibers that's on it. So that's what the Fibre wand looks like. Again, as I said, all I have to look out for is just the fallout, and you get fallout. The instruction says when you put too much of the natural fiber on. So it says nothing about it being a mascara. They brand it as Mood Struck Transplanting Gel and Mood Struck Natural Fibers. It says nothing about mascara. So this is a really nice alternative if you are a little bit intimidated by lashes. It's a nice alternative if you want your natural beauty to come forth. It's a nice alternative if you really love makeup but you don't want to go through the hassle of what you see here on YouTube. You just want something nice and simple. You want your eyes to pop without you have to getting lashes and then having to, you're afraid to take them off. Because I've had clients who, when I put lashes on, they're like, oh, it's going to come off. I'm like, boo-boo, just pull it off, honey, it's fine. Just pull that sucker right off, right? So yeah, I absolutely like it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So I'll be using this in my tutorials now that I have it. And yeah, I guess that's it. So I guess I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as I said before, if it is that you want to purchase, I'll have a link in the description bar of where you can purchase. I'll also have discount codes for you guys as well in the description bar. Again, thank you so much for sending me this product to review. I really like it. I didn't think I was going to, but I do. I like it. Thanks, Bubbo. Alright, you guys, talk to you later.